Well, there's a breaking update coming in. Over 100 people, including around 40 children, have fallen sick after eating biryani at the DMK event for party members and welfare distribution in the Vellore village in Madurai district, as the event that happened on Friday. And reports suggest that the biryani that was served to the attendees of the event, who after eating it started getting symptoms of nausea and vomiting. We have Vashni with us right now. Vashni, how many people have been affected and what is their condition looking like?
Well, according to sources, we are getting information that over 100 people have been admitted to the hospital because of reportedly having symptoms after eating meals at a DMK event. This event happened on Friday in the Vellore village of Kallikudi area in the Madurai district. And these people have been attending the event. And this is a party event conducted by the local DMK functionaries, and it is said that biryani was fed for all the attendees of the event, and some even packed food and took it back to their homes. But immediately after consumption of the biryani, we are given to understand that there were symptoms of nausea and vomiting being reported by many of them, including 40 children who were there, and all of them were immediately rushed to a primary health center in the Vellore village. Later they were taken to hospitals in Madurai district, in Virudhunagar district as well, for further treatment. And the police from Tirumangalam area have registered a case, and the investigation is currently underway. But the hospital sources have stated to the police that this sickness has been due to the consumption of stale food, and that food is the food that was provided in the DMK event is what we are given to understand at this point of time. With further investigation and further details from the police, we can get more details about what exactly happened and who are the people who were given the order to prepare meals for the people who attended the event. That further investigation will only let us know about all other details.
All right, details that are now coming in as far as the case that has been registered. Investigation is underway. Around 100 people who consumed the said biryani. That is what is being said, that it was stale food and apparently had led to food poisoning. Many of them are receiving treatment. Thank you very much for the moment, Vashni, for joining in. With that, we head into a short break.